In this video, we are going to talk about fasting and its amazing benefits. Fasting involves not eating or drinking anything for around 12 hours in case of intermittent fasting, or more than a day or close to a day for religious fasting. Now let us take a look at amazing benefits fasting offers us. Longevity. Wow, fasting every other day helps your cells to repair themselves, and you age very slowly and live a long and a healthy life. So remember, if you want to hit 105 and get the cake that you see in this video, you need to fast, at least sometimes. Weight loss. Great news. A full day of fast helps you to shed up to 6%, wow, 6% of your body fat in as little as 3 months. Amazing, right? Fasting has a positive effect on fat burning. Blood sugar. When you fast, your body relies more on the fat than on carbs, which decreases your body's insulin production, helping stabilize your blood sugar levels. This is very, very important as you age. Depression. Did you ever know that fasting helps you with depression? Helps you cure depression? Fasting actually makes you feel good. Fasting helps serotonin send more feel-good messages to your brain. Come on, who doesn't want that, right? Fasting also helps relieve negative emotions and tensions. And I can attest to it, right? I used to feel low a little bit last year, and I started fasting continuously for a year now, intermittently, and I feel much better. I feel much positive and feel very good, right? So definitely try to include fasting in your regimen. Cancer. Periodic fasting stops cancer cell growth and considerably reduces the risk of various different types of cancer. So it's very important to incorporate fasting in your regimen, right? Anti-inflammatory. Chronic inflammation is tied to risk of arthritis, diabetes, and heart diseases. Fasting reduces inflammation significantly and protects you from various diseases, right? Who wants to get diseases, right? It's better to fast rather than to get diseases. Heart health. Fasting decreases the amount of bad cholesterol in your body. People who fast, wow, let's look at this. People who fast often are 70% less likely to have heart attacks than people who never fast. So do you want to be in the category 1? Do you want to include fasting in your regimen at least now? Lean muscle. You might be wondering about your gym performance, right? If you fast intermittently or fast few days a week or fast at least once a week, fasting actually improves your performance at the gym significantly and also helps you gain lean muscle faster. But keep in mind that don't go to the gym on the day you fast, right? Thanks for watching. Please give us a thumbs up if you like the content and hit subscribe for more.